Hello friends, good morning. With Odoo18, we have received a very new feature to calculate salesperson and sales team commission. I will be preparing different videos on different scenarios of calculating sales commission. So let us start with the first video in this series. I would like to plan to calculate commission based on achievement, and the type is amount invoiced. So you can see over here there are different calculation method which we can apply during the duration, and payment frequency would be monthly, and then we can define period automatically from this duration, and we can add multiple sales people into it. So here when I say calculate based on amount invoiced is the first video I am going to present here, because you can see there are different methods on which we can calculate salesperson commission. So the first is based on achievement, and then the type is amount invoiced. There are various methods. So today we are talking about amount invoiced, and the rate is 2%. So whoever from my sales team, like sales 1 and sales 2 does sales, they will be getting 2% flat commission based on whatever amount they have done, and the target is set 1000 rupees for the month of October for both of them. As soon as I approved, and I will review my sales order. So here you can see the sales commission are already there. So if I say I have done 1 lakh rupees of invoice based on my sales order, and hence 2% flat commission I will be receiving, like sales 1. Here if I go, then the amount was 50,000, which is again over and above the target. So target is not there, it is a flat rate system whereby the eligibility is 2%, that is 1000 rupees. So how it works, let's see. So first the person has to process the sales order. As I'm logging over here, I will change the name to sales 1, and then directly sell any one item with, let's say, 1 unit worth 2000. So I confirm this order. The salesperson is sales 1, and I am making a delivery to this order. And as soon as I create the invoice, now system will start calculating the commission based on my invoice. So now if I refresh this achievement and I go to my commission, I will see 2040, and if I go to summary, it will show me 40 rupees based on my invoice on this. How? Because 2000 rupees was my final amount, and 2% on top of it is 40 rupees. So that's how system is calculating the commission based on achievement. Okay, now let's see the another part, that is based on target. I would like to set based on target, whereby what I will be doing is I will give the achievement of commission based on 100% rate. Like if I invoice for 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, I will receive whatever commission it shall be based on the final total amount, that is 100% rate. If I decrease the rate, then on my total final amount it will calculate based on the reduced rate. If I say only 50%, system will calculate based on 50%. So let's do first 100% amount, and then I will be adding 2 of my salespeople and give the target over here. So target has a value over here, like every month they have to achieve 10,000, and on and above 10,000 they will receive 1000 rupees of commission. Now if they achieve, let's say, 1000%, they will be eligible to get 5,000 as a commission. Okay, so let's see how it works. So as soon as I approve, and based on my previous plan, you can see one person has already achieved beyond the target limit, You can see achievement rate is 500% and 1020% because they have already achieved these stuffs. So let me do again how exactly it will work. So if I create a new quotation for my salespeople, my salesperson is sales 2 and he is making a sale of 10 units worth 10,000 each. I confirm the order, I create the delivery, I go and create my invoice. So let's say I am preparing invoice, let's say for 5 units as of now. Okay, I still have to process another 5 unit which is left over here, but now based on that, if I go and calculate the commission, you can see the commission based on target for sales 2. My salesperson was on SO sales 2. Okay, so let's say on sales 2 he has achieved on target. Let's see, here is the target. So 8 number and 10 number, he has achieved 50,000 plus 50,000 rupees of target. Okay, so that's why he has already achieved whatever he has to based on his plan. So he is not eligible to get any more commission. But yeah, here 1000% means 5,000 and 200% means he is eligible to get 2,000 rupees of commission. So target amount was on achievement 1000, but on target it was 10,000, which is already achieved. So he has already got 5,000 rupees as commission. Beyond that, we don't have any plan. Now if I improve my plan for commission, because he has achieved more on target, I reset to draft, I add one more level like 1500%, he will be eligible to get 1000 more. So let's see whether he is getting anything or not. So here, no, he has done the target of 1 lakh rupees only. Now let's say I am going into sales order again and create the second invoice. Okay, so let me go back to my latest quotation. So this is sales 2 quotation. Delivery was partially made. Now I am creating invoice. And I am altering amount just to make the target achievable. So now based on this, let's see, the target was achieved 11,000%. You can see, so he is eligible to get more and more amount based on his target achievement. So that's how, like, based on target, if my target was 1500% on and above, then I will achieve more commission based on this fixed amount. So 1000 was first, 5000 was second, and 1000 is the third one. So hence I will be able to achieve more commission based on this. So my target was 10,000, I achieved 11 lakh rupees, which is 11,000% of achievement rate. See. So this is based on target. Now based on achievement, I have achieved more and more and more. So that's how I am eligible to get more and more commission. You can see on the latest invoice, I received 20,000 rupees of commission and 1,000 based on my commission amount. So that's how you can define the commission plan based on achievement and based on target, and the type is amount invoiced. Hope this will help to set the method as amount invoiced to many people. Thank you.